In a world more interconnected than ever before, we are unexpectedly affected by things that we cannot see and things we do not know. But there is a world beyond the public eye, a place that the media tells you to fear, a no-go zone. Follow Mike, a world traveler, bringing us to no-go zones stateside and abroad. A travel documentary series that breaks barriers. Mike goes to the places that others are afraid of, where no one else dares to go, to tell their story, the story the media forgets to tell you. See the other side of places like Baltimore, Southside Chicago, Opelika, Syria, and more at MikeNoGoZones.com or Mike No Go Zones on YouTube.
Ward, and I ran into Gail Hardy. She's a New Orleans native who lost her house to Katrina, and she was relocated. I found her story fascinating. She lost her house, and the church that she used to attend is still in ruins, but she was at peace with everything and loves to chat it up with whoever's walking by. She was so nice and welcoming that she even drove me to the exact spot where the levees broke and where her old house stood. I felt like I could have devoted this whole episode just for her. Ms. Gail Hardy, if you're watching this, I want to thank you again.
And I learned when I was in 4th grade. I went to swimming lessons, and then from them swimming lessons, I learned do my swimming lesson and other little things I learned on my own mind thing. How to trade, that's the main thing to keep you up on top of that water. And I did it all. Was on swimming team, but when you in a disaster with a storm with a lot of water, you better know how to swim and at least try to swim your way out of it or do whatever you can do in swimming. But then they got all kind of little creatures in that water coming from
The river.
Snakes, alligators. Oh man, they got everything in the water, you know, that's coming from out here, you know. But I've been here all my life again, you know. I'm not gonna take nothing away. I mean, we done been through it with the storms and hurricanes, but I'm not gonna take anything away from it, cause this is my roots right here. This is where I wants to be, you know. And right now, where I'm living at, I'm peaceful, cause this is a nice, quiet spot on this.
It is, absolutely is.
My brother here across the street, he found this for us, and my brother and I live here. My brother, he's sick with his nerves, but he's quiet. He used to wonder, you know, walk out the house and everybody know about him. You know, they know he's mentally,
Right.
and they'll bring him back home. So now the doctor got a bracelet.
Okay, like a tracking device?
Yeah, that go kick off in the house, or they will kick off by my brother's house. But right now, I don't have problems with him. I take him walking myself. You know?
Okay.
He's water. He's afraid of. Like if I walk him up the levee, and he know they got water. He know in his mind they got water up there. He turned back around. He don't want to go. So I said, no problem, because I know that water thing comes back from the storms.
It's amazing. Your house isn't there anymore.
It's gone.
Wow.
It's gone. Katrina moved it. It had little years on it, because we added on. It was a 3-bedroom house when my father bought it, but after they died, my daddy died and stuff, we added on 2 more bedrooms, so we had a 5-bedroom. And these are my neighbors. These my neighbors from Katrina. They still here. The lady sitting on the porch and this lady right here. That's my neighbors. They still here. But that's not the original house. She rebuilt her house. This the original house to your right over here.
Right.
Their house didn't move.
And this empty lot, I guess there used to be a house here, right?
Yes, it was. Everywhere you see lots, and everywhere you see a lot with the grass cut,
Right.
Rural Home owned that.
Okay.
Rural Home bought that from us. When you see lots with grass, that's people lots and they just don't care. They gone. They gone somewhere else, and they're not worrying with it. And I want to show you the flat.
Sure.
How you doing? How you doing? I'm touring.
Hello.
That's what I do, letting people know about Katrina. I always got to come back here because this is my roots back here. Hi, Miss June. She see me all the time. Hi, Chanelli.
Hello.
Chanelli, baby. Yeah, that's my neighbors.
Okay.
Yeah, they still here. They came back after Katrina.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Take care. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Yeah, that's my neighbors. They came back after Katrina. And see, everybody came back. I don't know who lived in this house. Mr. Smith, this was his house, but they remodeled it, but that's his land. He come back. This about everybody on this side own. On that other side, not they got people, some people own, but not too many. Mostly back here, people own. See, this is how they building the houses now.
Right, so
They're building them up high. I wouldn't even trust this. That water knock that down. I wouldn't trust that. They gotta have that pilot down in there. I wouldn't trust this. That water coming underneath there, them tires coming from that canal, they strong. You gotta knock that down. Okay, we're gonna keep straight now.
yes.
We're gonna see, I'm gonna show you exactly where this house stayed. That little brick house right there stayed. They didn't move. Them two right there didn't move. Oh, the brick house right there behind my house, that one didn't move. See, some people's houses, I don't know, maybe I don't know why. They took ours, swept it off the feet. But I lived in Texas for 5 years with my little money I had. My money ran out, I'm going back home. Okay, this brick house on the corner, that house didn't move. See this one right here?
Yeah, I see, yes.
See all these trees and weeds back here?
Right.
The city need to do something about this. But this was people's property, and they not doing nothing with it. You know, if they won't sell it to Rural Home. Rural Home will keep your land cut. They go like our grass where we at. That's a Rural Home property. The yard is cut, stays cut. Okay, now I'm gonna show you where we're going back here. Where we going straight up ahead? You see where that wall?
Yes.
Okay, that's your industrial canal. They built that wall after Katrina.
Okay.
We didn't have that wall during Katrina.
That's a shame.
So that wall supposed to block the water, but I don't believe that. Myself, all these trees, all this back here was houses. People just didn't come back. See, like this is the little house, I wouldn't be able to stay back here. Just one house. I don't know, this was these two houses. So this is Jordan Avenue. Okay, this is your industrial canal. I'm making a left right here. All this used to be a canal where that grass is.
Right.
That used to be water. Okay? There was a little canal where we used to go and get the little fish poles and go catch us some little bitty fishes and some tadpoles and different stuff when we were small. We used to jump over the levee. That wall that's sitting there, that big old brick wall.
Right.
That wall came after Katrina. Why? Because they figured that wall go block that water, but it's not go block that water. Okay, that's what man made thinking. That the water come over that wall. That wall is okay. This is your plat. We're gonna get out. I'm gonna let you take a picture of your plat. You see that green plat?
Yes.
That's gonna tell you about Katrina. So go ahead, because I'm about to pull. Okay? And this here is the industrial. I want you to get out and take a picture of it. Okay.
Oh. Hey, this is Mike from No-Go Zones. I love creating and sharing this series with you. I would be appreciative if you could like, comment, and share these videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe.